So today is my birthday and I wanted to make a quick unboxing for the gift I bought myself because why not? Also, it's fun to share little things in life and I enjoy watching other people's little milestones or birthdays or anniversaries. So I wanted to make one for me. So anyways, I didn't want to buy something really big this year, which this is pretty massive. But I wasn't looking to buy anything, and I just happened to come across this perfume. I actually went to the mall and I was at the perfume counter and I was interested in the new Van Cleef and Arpels perfumes that came out, and I wasn't really feeling it. And the lady, she was so nice, and she introduced me to this. I didn't even know about the Atelier Versace perfumes. Like, I know they're the crystal ones, the bright crystal with the big cap and the big giant crystal. Like, those are pretty old. Like, I used to have that years ago, and I've not kept up with Versace perfumes since. But this, oh my gosh, I fell in love. The moment I smelled it, I'm like, what is this perfume? You have to show me. And she showed me the bottle. I'm like, I'm not walking away. I have to buy this. And I did, and I'm so glad I did. It's such a great perfume, and it's been sitting on my table for a week. And I just opened it yesterday, and today I'm filming a little unboxing because I love the packaging. So I'm not gonna drag it out too long. I just wanna get into it. So look at this box. Like, I've seen a lot of expensive perfumes, right? But they don't come with like this giant packaging. I love the packaging. And it opens like so. This is a very shiny surface, so I'm just gonna keep this here. And here's the perfume with a little plastic. So the bottle, I thought the bottle was okay. I didn't think it was all that great. I've seen better bottles, but the perfume, oh my gosh, it is so good. So this one apparently is called Rose Flamboyant or something, whatever, how to pronounce it. I would just call it flamboyant, but that's probably wrong. So this came out last year, and since I always butcher my perfume reviews, I think I've done like 2 or maybe even just 1, and it was terrible. So I've written down the top notes, all the notes actually. So the top note is mandarin orange, pink berries, cardamom. Middle is rose, geranium, patchouli. Base is cedar, vetiver. Gosh, how's that pronounced? Musk. So it's really good. It's not your typical rose perfume. Like, I love rose perfumes, but you can always, they always have something similar among all of them. This is extremely different. The first notes you smell are not rose. It's like a perfect blend of floral and a little bit woodsy, a little bit musky. I don't know how to describe it. It's just really nice. And the longer you wear it, the longer it stays on your body. It evolves with your own body oils. It's just really, really nice. But it's a little bit on the heavier side. I would not recommend this wearing during the daytime or like every day. This is more like heavier perfume for like dinner, date night, nighttime, like something formal. But it's really, really nice. And the lady was kind enough to give me a bunch of samples, like a lot of samples, because I got interested in the whole line. And I've smelled all of them. I'm not a big fan of the rest of them, just this one. If you want to try a perfume that is unique and it's not something I've seen, I've heard, I've not seen this a lot, I've not heard about it, it's really unique. And it just, if you're one of those people who love wearing these unique perfumes, I do recommend you try it. Just get a sample or go smell it. It's really, really nice. And I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So that's it for my short video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.